Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll dive into a common problem that many KDB plus Q users face when scaling their setups for multiple risk engines. The problem involves managing a common table called risk_engine_table, which is subscribed to a tickerplant and contains data for all risk engines identified by unique risk_engine_ID values ranging from 0 to 10. The challenge lies in ensuring that each risk engine only receives data relevant to its specific risk_engine_ID. Now let's talk about the solution to this problem. The key idea is to leverage the flexibility of the tickerplant by modifying the .uCell function to filter records based on the risk_engine_ID. By doing this, we can optimize the data flow and reduce latency by ensuring that each subscriber only receives the subset of data they need. This approach not only simplifies the setup in each RDB, but also enhances the overall performance of the system. In summary, by tweaking the functionality of the tickerplant to filter data based on risk_engine_ID, we can streamline the data transmission process and improve the efficiency of the entire setup. I hope this solution helps you in addressing the challenges of managing multiple risk engines in your KDB plus Q environment. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more content like this, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding.